Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the activity status on Rednote. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the Rednote app on your phone. After you do that, click on the profile or me icon on the bottom right hand corner and tap on settings right beside the profile icon. Go ahead and click on the option of privacy settings right under notification settings. Then you can find activity status. Go ahead and tap on activity status and there are three options. The first one is public, where all contents will be visible to everyone and you can set it to public. The second one is friends. The contents will be visible to only your followers which you follow back. And the last one is off. You can close total activity status. So you can just go ahead and click on it according to your wish. I hope this video about how you can change the activity status on Rednote was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.